name is Renata. I'm 22 years old. I live in cold Siberia in a small town Novokuznetsk. In my video resume I've decided to speak English. Of course my English isn't so good now as I want it to be, but I always try to improve my knowledge of language. For example, I study English with online courses. I'm sure it will help me in my future career. Last summer I graduated from Kemerovo State University Management Department. Well, university gave me a lot of new knowledge and skills, so I tried to use them in my life. For example, I took a part in the university competition, the best business plan presented in a foreign language, and I was the best one. I hope I'm really good at creating business plans. Also, my computer skills are not so bad. I can work with MC Office as a good user, Lotus Notes, Oracle applications as a beginner. Now I'm working in the Siberian subsidiary of international company CGS Vostok Limited as an accountant. CGC is the world's leading of inspection, verification, testing and certification company. The motto of my company is "When you need to be sure." So I think this can be the slogan of my future life. My hobbies are snowboarding and ice skating in winter and riding a bicycle in summer. I like sport and try to keep myself in shape. Also, I've been learning to play the piano for 3 years. It really helps me to relax after a hard working day. I like to spend my free time with friends. They always support me in different situations, whenever I'm happy or not. My strengths are responsibility, flexibility, hard working, honesty and kindness. But I'm too shy to my mind. My name is Renata, I'm 22 years old, and that's all about me.